Nigeria entertainer Afeez Fashola, popularly known as Naira, has taken legal action against actress Iyabo Ojo, alleging the dissemination of false and defamatory content on her Instagram account. In a letter sent to Iyabo Ojo, Naira's lawyer Olalekan Ojo outlined the accusations made in a September 2023 post, stating that the actress accused Naira of engaging in spiritual and physical dealings with the late singer Ilere Oluwa, widely known as Mohbad. The lawyer further asserted that Ojo accused Naira of causing mental harm to Mohbad, whom he refers to as a brother. Naira attorney seeks a redress of 500 million from Iyabo Ojo and a public apology to be posted on her page and published in a national daily. According to the letter, failure to adhere to the condition placed would force them to file a lawsuit against her. Ododo TV reporting. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, go to the comment section and contribute, and share this video with your loved ones.